Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Working, baby. What are you doing?
I got something for you. Giuseppe, what are you doing? Oh, here we go. Look.
Sorry. Oh, baby, Summit.
I know what's in here.
Oh, I think I do too.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Oh, this should be 2 boxes. No, it's 1.
One way. A water pump.
That's a return that I have to bring to FedEx. I said soda machine.
What is this? Boy, oh
Can you
boy.
tape that thing shut? Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Working, baby.
I think I got the right box now.
Are you sure?
We'll find out.
I think I know what this is. I think, unless it's another return. Should be 2 boxes in here. More.
Look, this is cool.
Oh, baby, a hat.
Nice, you got a hat. What's this thing? This is a cigar holder.
I highly doubt that.
Oh, wire. Ooh, this is
high class.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You guys know what this is? Why don't you explain to... Oh, yeah.
Oh.
The other little thing.
Oh, man.
Here, let me give you an idea.
Oh, man.
Look.
Oh, man. Yeah.
I'll give you an idea. These are heavy duty. I'm going to show you. This is a wonderful thing. All right,
Smell.
here's stainless steel.
This is from Summit Racing. It's electric exhaust cutouts. It's a 2.5-inch diameter outer. Basically what it does is these flaps goes from mufflers, and then you flick a switch and it goes to open header. And you know what this is for, everybody?
Of course.
The one and only Pontiac.
Why do you want it?
Well, I got the loudest mufflers I could for this car, and it's still too quiet. So I want open header.
You want open headers. So this is how it works. Here's your regular exhaust system. Would go through here, come out the back. You got your mufflers and your downspouts and all of that stuff. So if you want to annoy somebody or whatever, if you're going drag racing or you want to annoy somebody, here's what you do. You flick a switch. This electric little motor right here turns a flap that's inside. See this flap? It opens another compartment and your exhaust comes out the side with no mufflers and it doesn't go through the rest of it. So it's really loud and it'll add your horsepower. It'll give you horsepower because there's no restriction from exhaust.
And that's what I want. And you know why I use Summit? If you get this from anywhere else, it doesn't come as a kit.
You gotta buy them individually?
Every single little piece
No.
individual. If I get it from Summit, it's a complete kit. Not to mention,
Well, that helps.
if you want dual, you get another box.
Well, this is a kit.
And
You
that's
get 2 boxes.
And that's for the other side of the car.
No way,
which,
man. You gotta piece them together? That's terrible.
So honestly,
So this is good.
this is a huge A+. Thanks, Summit. I got a guy over at Summit.
What's his name?
David.
David at Summit.
What? Giuseppe sent you. Tell them Giuseppe sent you. Is that what you-
What he's trying to say is, when you call Summit and order parts, tell them Giuseppe sent you.
Oh, okay, that's better. All right. If you call Summit, tell them I sent you.
This is a good one. This is gonna go nationally.
Well, keep watching my videos because I'm going to be installing this kit very soon. To be continued, and the link for this kit will be in the description. Maybe it's something you guys can use on your car. Never know.
And they make them for all different. It doesn't have to be
Oh, yeah.
V8. They can go on single exhaust.
And they make all kinds of different diameter, 3-inch, 3.5. It goes
That's
all the way
good.
to 3.5.
Well, for now, so we can get to this, let's go finish all that. Take it over the world.
One set of Summit kits, exhaust cutouts, electric exhaust cutouts for my Pontiac at a time from Summit, David and all that. You know, he's a good guy.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.